This is a poem about love, if you can give me a reason not to kill myself. This poem is a story of a young girl who thought he met the perfect person for her. But sadly, she had to accept the reality that he's never coming back. And now, she is looking for a way out of her pain. It's the weekend, most people are excited. But for me, I lost a reason for excitement. This sweet corner of my room, where I found comfort without overexerting acceptance and love, of which I lost. I gave you 3 lumps of sweetness, but it was never enough. I gave you my trust, what a fool I was. Too young to know the difference between a delusion and reality. I don't want to place all the blame on myself, I guess you've created your illusions perfectly. Now that I have gained control of my sanity with a knife planted beside my spine, I regretted the days when I proclaimed that you are mine. I built defenses, but it was proven useless. Though senseless as it may sound, I'm sobbing looking at photographs. Tears falling as I'm scrolling down. After you left, I'm finding it difficult to breathe. My heart is torn. Who should I prioritize? This whiskey, or this tiny bottle of Ventolin? I'm dragging myself back to the last happy place I know. But I can only do that when my eyes are closed, and my body loses the weight of my soul. I'm not weak, I just don't have any other choice. You were my source of happiness, now everything has been destroyed. I guess I'm sick because the relaxant is making me feel okay. Though it can never heal the wounds, at least for a short while, it took away the pain. I don't have a way of knowing whether I'm awake or if this is a dream. I placed my palm over my chest. This is weird, I have no beating heart, but I'm heavily breathing. The poison built a world where I'm free and calm, and I have no need of love. But in the case, someone would share a little sense of care. If you're willing to take your chance. I'm reaching my hand a few inches above the water. Pull me out if you can. I'd love to hear your thoughts about this poem about love. If you love to hear more of my written poetry, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your support will inspire me to write more poems for you. Thank you, and may you enjoy the rest of your day.